Hey guys, honestly, Erica. It's December the 20th, Vlogmas Day 20. I am sitting here filming on my iPhone mostly because I'm feeling very sneezy. I don't know. I don't understand why. I started getting sick on Wednesday and it's Sunday and I feel worse than I did on Wednesday and all the other days. So yeah, this is gonna just be a really, really short, quick video of horrible quality, probably. I just want to say hello. How are you? Are you guys done with your Christmas and holiday shopping? I am almost done. I spent so many hours shopping yesterday and then so many today. That's probably why I don't feel very good. I'm just tired. I'm watching The Sound of Music. So long, farewell. For me to say adieu, adieu, adieu to you and you and you. All right, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Christmas and happy everything else. Bye.